Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work has been done in the Hyundai ILOAD 2012. We got the car coming in with the standard factory radio which already been removed, and currently it is selling full package with wireless Apple Carplay on the screen and USB Apple Carplay and USB Android Auto. And you certainly see the new thing over here, which is the new USB port that we found the good location, and the owner also want it to be here because not like the other Hyundai we did it before. This section we cannot do the USB in, so yeah, it's good over there. And also coming with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. This car is a bit of special because the tailgate at the back end, it actually has the spiral spring wiring connection between the car body and the tailgate. So just come on and have a look here. So this is how the camera is fitted, and this is what I mean. You know, we have the spiral wiring over here like this, and at this moment it's already been fixed nicely. And this one rubber, and the rubber here back into the place and waterproof. And this one is the one that it cost us a lot of time to go through this, and now that spiral is beautiful. So that is about the camera. And yep, so on the screen you can see that's our usual wireless Apple CarPlay is running, and it's easy, it's convenient, it's simple. And if you pull the gear stick to the reverse, it instantly turn on the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. That is absolutely the best camera that you would see. We love it. It's super clear and it works very instantly, and it comes on and it is flexible to adjust, and it works instantly. And you can see that on the screen we adjust the camera that it sees the bumper bar at the back end over here. So when the owner reverse, she would know that the camera, you know, showing that the rear bumper. So yep, that's about the 7-inch full package in the Hyundai ILOAD 2012, the version that comes with the spiral spring wiring connection between the body and the tailgate. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the another one.